Employers sometimes think if they honestly believed an employee did something wrong, that will be enough to defend an employment termination or disciplinary decision. Not necessarily. I'm Alex Rubin of Rubin Employment Law. The honest belief defense is not a free pass. An employer does not win simply by saying they acted in good faith. The real question is whether the decision was based on a fair and reasonably thorough investigation. That's where many employers get into trouble. Just to be clear, this video is for informational purposes only. It is not legal advice, and watching it does not create an attorney-client relationship. For legal guidance, please speak to an employment attorney in your state. Courts do not expect perfection, but they do expect a process that makes sense. That means gathering the facts, speaking to the right people, reviewing the documents, and making a decision based on evidence, not assumptions, office politics, or a rush to judgment. If the investigation was prompt, balanced, and well documented, the employer is in a much stronger position to defend the outcome. But if the investigation was sloppy, one-sided, or clearly incomplete, saying we honestly believed it may not help. In fact, it can make the decision look worse. It can sound less like a legitimate explanation and more like an excuse. That's why workplace investigations matter so much. A good investigation means interviewing the complainant, the accused, and any witnesses who have relevant information. It means reviewing emails, text messages, social media posts, policies, personnel records, and any other documents that may help answer what really happened. And it means documenting what was found and why the company acted the way it did. Employers also need to be careful during the investigation itself. If the company mishandles the complaint or retaliates against the employee who raised it or witnesses who participated in the investigation, this creates a second legal problem on top of the first one. So, does an employer's honest belief save the day? Sometimes, but only when that belief is backed by facts and supported by a sound process. Honest belief is not a substitute for a real investigation. If you want your decision to hold up later, the work has to be done up front. If you have questions about workplace investigations or how to reduce risk before a personnel issue turns into litigation, call us at 973-787-8442, email us at legaladmin@alexrubinlaw.com, or visit us at alexrubinlaw.com/workplace-investigations.